In today's video, we're going to talk about interest rates and are they going up or are they going to go down? Now, this is a tough question because there is no way to actually know what interest rates are going to do. But we can at least look at some of the predictions and give you a good idea of what interest rates are going to do in this year and beyond. So let's take a quick peek here at this diagram. And this is from, let me get my notes here. This is from themortgagereports.com. And so you can see here on this chart how interest rates have steadily gone down, 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 down to the lowest in history. And you can see right here, right where the blue is at the end. Let me see if I can point somewhere right there. What is projected for interest rates? And as you can see, they are projected to go up some. So what does that mean? Does that mean that you shouldn't refinance, you shouldn't buy because interest rates are going to go up? Now, this is going to be my answer no matter what. If interest rates are 1%, if interest rates are 20%, the answer is it depends on your specific situation. I wish I had like a better like all-encompassing answer, but the reality is it's all about you. You shouldn't let fear-mongering, hard sales tactics, fear of missing out force you to make a decision that's not good for you and is not good for your family. So let me dive into this a little bit further. So let's say that you've been saving up and you've been planning on buying a house and it's something that you want to do to, further your goals. You want to start building some equity, you want to have some long-term investments. Well, if you have the means, you have the savings, you're prepared, you've done the research, then you should buy a home. People that try to time the market are the ones that always miss out because they either wait too long or they don't wait long enough. There is no like perfect time. Yeah, do some people get luckier than others? Sure, they definitely do. But if you don't get in the game or you don't get what you've been trying to do, well, then you personally are going to miss out on that. Now, if you're trying to buy a home, let's look at it this way. And interest rates do go up. Well, as we know, especially in the Phoenix market, prices are steadily going up, quite rapidly because everybody's moving here. So not only if the interest rates go up, you're paying more there, you're going to be paying more because the housing prices are going up as well. So if you have the means to buy, buy. And that's how I've always done it. When I've been wanting to buy a house and I've prepared for it, I don't even look at what interest rates are and say, oh, well, I'm going to wait a year. Like, no, I'm going to buy now. And it's always worked out well for me. Now, refinancing is a little bit different because you have to make sure that the benefits outweigh the costs. So there's always, I just did a video on this, the costs of refinancing. There's always costs. There's no such thing as a no cost refinance. You can go watch that video if you want to learn more about refinances. But in a nutshell, if you're trying to save money, then of course the rate needs to be lower than what you currently have. So let's say you have a 4% rate or a 4.5% rate. Now could be an amazing time to refinance while the rates are so low to save money or pull some cash out, things of that nature. Now let's say rates go up to 4, 5, 6% in the future. Well, then it may not be a good idea because your rate's going to be higher. In some cases, you need the cash and you have to pay that higher rate and it's worth it for you to have that cash on hand. But you might as well do it while the rates are low. And everybody's thinking like, oh, I'm just going to hold out. I'm going to hold out. Rates are going to be down to zero. Most likely not. Could they go lower? Sure. Things could happen. Economy could change. To make stimulus, the rates could go lower. But how much lower can they actually go? Most people are getting rates somewhere in the, low twos to high twos, sometimes in the low threes. It really depends on, is it a VA loan? Is it conventional? Is it FHA? How much are you putting down? What is your credit score? So those are all things that you need to talk to with your trusted local mortgage advisor. So that is huge. And that's what we try to do here at the Ehler Lending Team, is help people answer any questions they have and make sure that they have all the information to make an educated decision before they jump into a purchase or a refinance. So let's take a look at that chart one more time so we can see how low interest rates have gone and where they're kind of trending. And we have seen the rates kind of bopping around a little bit in the last few months, last few weeks, and they definitely aren't the lowest that we've seen. And hopefully they stay steady, they stay low, and it just helps everybody out. But if you're in a position to refinance or buy, now could be a great time for you. Like I said, make sure you talk to a trusted local mortgage advisor, preferably a broker, so they can help you find the best deal before you jump into a purchase or a refinance. So don't let fear, don't let hard sales tactics, don't let anything like that keep you from making a decision or force you into a decision. Make sure you do your homework, make sure you do your research. I hope this helps you. And if you have any questions, reach out. There'll be a link below so you can go check us out on our website. So you can go to skipthebanks.com and that'll take you right to our website. And then make sure you like and subscribe to this channel because I'm always going to be putting out information about mortgages, interest rates, the market, investments, anything you need to know about all of those financial decisions. So thanks for watching this one, and I'll see you guys on the next one.